क्या आप भी अपना इंग्लिश लेवल चेक करना चाहते हैं? देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। इस टेस्ट को CEFR फ्रेमवर्क के अकॉर्डिंग डिजाइन किया गया है, जो कि इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी लेवल को टेस्ट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। सो देयर आर 6 डिफरेंट लेवल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू CEFR: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. So take this quiz and find out your English grammar level. So let's get started. तो शुरू करते हैं लेवल A1 से, बिगिनर लेवल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, he eat breakfast at 7 a.m. he eats breakfast at 7 a.m. he eating breakfast at 7 a.m. and your time starts now. And the correct answer is he eats breakfast at 7 a.m. In the simple present tense, the verb takes an S or ES in the third person singular form. Present simple tense में जब subject third person singular होता है तो verb की first form के साथ S या ES को add किया जाता है। Question number 2, prepositions. The meeting is in Monday. The meeting is on Monday. The meeting is at Monday. And the answer is the meeting is on Monday. On is the correct preposition to use with days of the week. तो weekdays के साथ हमेशा on use किया जाता है। Question number 3, articles. She is attending a university in London. She is attending an university in London. She is attending the university in London. And the answer is option 1. She is attending a university in London. A is used before words that begin with the consonant sound. And university starts with the U sound, which is a consonant sound. तो यहाँ पे चाहे ये U से स्टार्ट होता है जो कि एक वाउल है, लेकिन जब हम इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो इसकी जो साउंड है वो U से स्टार्ट होती है, U से नहीं होती, जो कि एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है। इसलिए यहाँ पे N की जगह पे A यूज किया गया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस। Who is your teacher? Who your teacher is? Who are your teacher? And the answer is who is your teacher. This uses the correct subject verb order for questions with who. और लेवल A1 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है possessive adjectives. This is me book. This is mine book. This is my book. And the answer is this is my book. My is the correct possessive adjective to show ownership. Now let's move forward to level A2, which is elementary level. Question number 6, everyday activities. I take breakfast at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I do breakfast at 8 a.m. And the answer is I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Have is the correct verb to use with the meals. Question number 7, social interactions. Choose the correct sentence for introducing yourself. My name is John and I am a student. Myself John and I am a student. I am John and student. And the answer is my name is John and I am a student. My name is is a proper way to introduce oneself in English. Myself से इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि myself एक रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है जो कि सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में नहीं आता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Can you tell me where is the train station? Can you tell me where the train station is? Can you tell me where the train station? And the answer is option 2. Can you tell me where the train station is? In indirect questions, the subject comes before the verb. Question number 9. I need to buy some apples and bread. I need to buy some apples and a loaf of bread. I need to buy some apples and loaf bread. And the answer is I need to buy some apples and a loaf of bread. Loaf of bread is the correct term for bread in this context. Question number 10. I enjoy to play soccer on weekends. I enjoy playing soccer on weekends. I enjoy played soccer on weekends. और इसका सही आंसर है आई एंजॉय प्लेइंग सॉकर ऑन वीकेंड्स. एंजॉय इज फॉलोड बाय अ जेरेंड प्लेइंग. तो इसके साथ ही खत्म होता है लेवल A1. इफ यू हैव स्कोर्ड 6 एंड अबव देन यू आर प्रोबेबली एट लेवल A1 एंड इफ यू हैव स्कोर्ड एट लीस्ट 9 एंड अबव देन you are at level A2. So let's move forward to level B1, which is intermediate level. Question number 11. Last summer I went to Italy and visited many places. Option 2. Last summer I go to Italy and visited many places. Option 3. Last summer I went to Italy and visit many places. And the answer is last summer I went to Italy and visited many places. Both verbs went and visited are in the past simple tense, which is correct for describing past experiences. Question number 12. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea for coffee. And the correct option is I prefer tea to coffee. Prefer something to something else is the correct structure for expressing preferences. Question number 13. My car is faster than yours. My car is more fast than yours. My car is most fast than yours. और इसका सही आंसर है माई कार इज फास्टर देन योर्स. फास्टर इज द करेक्ट कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव फास्ट. जब भी हमें कोई कंपैरिजन करना होता है देन वी यूज सेकंड डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स व्हिच इज कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. When I was a child, I used to play outside every day. Option 2. When I was a child, I used to play outside every day. Option 3. When I was a child, I used playing outside every day. And the answer is when I was a child, I used to play outside every day. Used to play is the correct form to describe past habits or routines. Question number 15. I was very happy when I heard the good news. I was very happily when I heard the good news. I was very happy when I hear the good news. And the answer is I was very happy when I heard the good news. Happy is the correct adjective and heard is the correct past simple tense of hear. तो इसके साथ ही खत्म होता है हमारा लेवल B1. Let's move forward to level B2 which is upper intermediate level. Question number 16. If I had known about the meeting, I would have attended it. Option 2. If I had knew about the meeting, I would have attended it. Option 3. If I had known about the meeting, I would attended it. And the answer is if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended it. This is a third conditional sentence which uses had known, which is past perfect, and would have attended, which is modal verb plus have plus past participle. Question number 17. The process involves mixing the ingredients and then baking the cake for 30 minutes. The process involves mixing the ingredients and then bake the cake for 30 minutes. The process involves to mix the ingredients and then baking the cake for 30 minutes. And the answer is option 1. The process involves mixing the ingredients and then baking the cake for 30 minutes. So mixing and baking. Involves is followed by gerunds mixing and baking. Question number 18. She said that she would call me later. She said that she will call me later. She said that she would call me later. And the answer is she said that she would call me later. In reported speech, will changes to would. Question number 19. Provided that you finish your work, you can take a break. Provided that you finished your work, you can take a break. Provided that you finishes your work, you can take a break. And the answer is provided that you finish your work, you can take a break. Provided that introduces a condition followed by the base form finish. Question number 20th. The book was written by a famous author. The book was wrote by a famous author. The book is wrote by a famous author. And the answer is the book was written by a famous author. Was written is the correct past passive form. अगर आपने 6 and above score किए हैं, you are at level B1. And अगर आपने कम से कम 9 या इससे ज़्यादा score किए हैं, then you are at level B2. Now it's time for level C1, which is advanced level. Question 21st. Do you know who won the award last night? Do you know who did win the award last night? Do you know who the award won last night? And the answer is, do you know who won the award last night? In embedded questions, the word order is same as in the statement. Question number 22. Rarely have I seen such a beautiful sunset. Rarely I have seen such a beautiful sunset. Rarely seen I have such a beautiful sunset. And the answer is rarely have I seen such a beautiful sunset. Inversions with negative adverbs like rarely require the auxiliary verb to come before the subject. Question number 23. You needn't have brought so much food to the party. You didn't need to bring so much food to the party. You mustn't have brought so much food to the party. And the answer is you needn't have brought so much food to the party. Needn't have is used to express that something was not necessary but it was done anyway. मतलब कि कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी लेकिन फिर भी वो काम कर दिया गया. Then we use needn't have. Question number 24. It was John who broke the vase. It is John who broke the vase. It was John who broke the vase. And the answer is it was John who broke the vase. Cleft sentences are used for emphasis and follow the structure it was, subject, and then who, verb. Question number 25. He must have missed the train because he is not here yet. He must missed the train because he is not here yet. He must miss the train because he is not here yet. And the answer is he must have missed the train because he is not here yet. Must have missed is used to express the logical conclusion about the past event. और अब बारी है level C2 की, which is proficient level, which is near native speaker level. Question number 26. It's essential that he be informed of the changes immediately. Option 2. It's essential that he is informed of the changes immediately. Option 3. It's essential that he will be informed of the changes immediately. And the answer is it's essential that he be informed of the changes immediately. The subjunctive mood be is used after expressions like it's essential that. Question number 27. Under no circumstances should you reveal the secret. Option 2. Under no circumstances you should reveal the secret. Option 3. Under no circumstances you reveal the secret. And your time starts now. And the answer is under no circumstances should you reveal the secret. After negative adverbials like under no circumstances, inversion is required. For example, here auxiliary verb before the subject. Question number 28. Using emphatic structures. What I find most intriguing is the way she handled the situation. Option 2. That I find most intriguing is the way she handled the situation. Option 3. Which I find most intriguing is the way she handled the situation. And the answer is what I find most intriguing is the way she handled the situation. The cleft sentence structure, what I find most intriguing, emphasizes the speaker's point. Question number 29. Complex sentence structures. Despite having been warned, he proceeded with the plan. Option 2. Despite he had been warned, he proceeded with the plan. Option 3. Despite being warned, he proceeded with the plan. And the correct option is, despite having been warned, he proceeded with the plan. Despite having been warned is a correct participle clause providing background information. तो अब बारी है हमारे लास्ट क्वेश्चन की, क्वेश्चन 30th. She admitted to having made a mistake. She admitted to make a mistake. She admitted to having make a mistake. And the answer is, she admitted to having made a mistake. Admitted to having made correctly uses the gerund having made to indicate a past action. And now it's time to check your level again. If you have scored between 6 to 8, then most likely you're at level C1. And if you have scored 9 or 10, then you are at level C2, which is near native speaker level. Good job. और अगर आपने आज के टेस्ट में अच्छा स्कोर नहीं किया है, then there is no need to be disappointed. Keep learning, keep shining and keep rising. My name is Shefali and thank you for watching English Classes with Shefali.